Alright, so today I want to do a little tutorial on game states. So I thought I'd start out just by showing you an example on my Winston games. I have a main page with a whole lot of buttons, and if you click on any of these buttons, it'll take you to various different realms in and games and subgames and whatnot. And so I already came and found this in my code, the draw loop. And as you can see, I'm using a switch case and a state variable. And based on that state variable, I draw different things like the credits and these buttons. And if the state variable is equal to that string right there, it's going to draw that game, because I wrap that game up in a function and put it somewhere up there. So I thought I'd just start out really simply by using a mouse clicked function to get different leaves. So I went ahead and set up some leaves, and I set a scene, which is a state variable, equal to the string L1. So I'm going to use a switch case, and basically switch cases are like if-thens. So if scene is equal to L1, that's this case. Like if this case is true, then it does the block of code after this colon. So sometimes maybe if I have time, I'll show you the equivalent to this switch case using if statements. But I hope you can just understand that if scene is equal to this string right here, then we're going to go into this code block. So I guess I'll just draw L1. And after the code block, you hit break. And you need to have default. And you need to end this curly brace down here. And then you can just copy this part, the case break, over and over again and do your different cases. I'll just do 2 of them right now. And now I'm going to go set up my mouse clicked variable. Oh, well, I like to do scenes as numbers instead of strings, because then I can just have this be plus plus. Whereas if it's a string, then you need to detect which string it is, and based on which string it is, you need to change it accordingly. This is just kind of a really simplistic approach. Just have it a number, and then you can detect a number just as easily as you can detect a string. So it starts out at 0, so it's going to draw L1, which is the blue leaf, and if I click, then it switches to the green leaf. Kind of messing up the indentation. And now it's stuck on the orange leaf because I don't have any way of wrapping it around. But that's kind of irrelevant to the tutorial, and just to keep it sweet and short, I think I'll leave it right there. Hope that all made sense, and have fun making games.